Do you hear it? That's the sound of sadness because we're down to just one pack. Honestly, really enjoyed Austin. I don't want to see her go. When's the next card show? I need another mega box. Mega now! Okay. Spoilers, but oh my gosh, it's almost too perfect to be finishing off with him. Like, I needed to replace this card in my purse. I love it. Winner stays, baby! Another winner stays! Wow. Oh my gosh. It's like, what, three? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love it. Is that rainbow action? I knew it. We're on the final card. Tony Parker? If you know, you know. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know where he's going. I'll be back with baseball. I know, we're like, what? Baseball? I thought you just did basketball and football. Well, I'm dabbling. I'm dipping my toes. After all, Texas has officially banned my hobby. Even though I stocked up, you know, it won't last. So, you know, I'm looking at every sport. NASCAR. Why not? They look cool. I have not seen anybody open NASCAR cards though. If you know any good accounts, let me know.